Hi guys, my name's Jade. Welcome to my channel. If you're new or if you are returning, then welcome back. So today's video is in partnership with TJC. So today I'm going to be sharing some items as part of their Get Summer Ready with TJC. So TJC is a website. They have an app also now, but I believe it's a shopping channel. And you could go on there and you can find pretty much anything you need. So they sell homeware, they sell beauty, you know, makeup, they sell all sorts of things on there, so you can pretty much buy anything you want on there. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I have. I have a little haul. So obviously summer is coming up, and as part of their new campaign is Get Summer Ready with TJC. You can buy literally anything on their website, and they have an amazing selection of summer things. So summer for me is all about nice sandals, nice pair of sandals, a nice pair of sunglasses. Definitely screams summer. So I'm going to show you guys what I picked up. So I will leave everything linked in the description box down below. So I do have a discount code for TJC, and with this discount code you used to be able to get 20% off your first purchase, but now you can get 20% off anything on their website. So I will leave it on the screen here and also in the description box as well. So if you feel like having a little browse and you want to pick up something that I've shown you today, or just have a little look and you might come across something, then you can save yourself 20% guys and use my discount code. So TJC sell luxury items at an affordable price. So they have some items on there, products that are like high end but like a cheaper price, sort of for cheaper. So they sell sunglasses, and I was looking for the sunglasses, and they sell Guess. So Guess is a luxury brand. It's more of a higher end, more expensive brand, and these were actually really affordable on their website. I will leave the price of everything on the screen for you guys now. So I chose these sunglasses because summer isn't, you know, you need a pair of sunglasses for the summer. Do you know what's really nice? The case it comes in, it's like leather. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I picked these gorgeous like tortoise shell sunglasses. They've got some really nice gold detailing on the front there, and on the side, if it will focus, it obviously says Guess there at the side, and then it says Guess here at the front. So they're like mirror reflective, these sunglasses, and they were just a bit different. I just thought they were really nice, and I love those. Like, how cute are they? Like, definitely ready for the summer and a nice staple pair of sunglasses. But yeah, like, how amazing is that? You would never have guessed that these were a really nice luxury brand and so affordable, which is just amazing. So absolutely love those. So we've got a pair of sunglasses, so I picked a pair of sunglasses up. So I selected some jewellery items as well, because I think that when it's summer and you've got a nice cute dress on, you can't go wrong with like nice staple pieces of jewellery. I think perfect for the summer. So I chose some earrings. I chose some silver hooped earrings. So like silver hooped, I think they're like called twisted, something like that. And you can't go wrong with a big nice hooped earring. So these are absolutely beautiful. Love them. They're beautiful and they go so nice with everything. I'm just gonna pop that in and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Is that in? Yeah. Like how pretty is that? Absolutely love that. Just giving me like, I don't know, I just think it's really nice. Can't go wrong with a pair of hoops. Let's keep them in. Let's put this other one in as well. So another piece of jewellery, which is, I am obsessed with this guys. I chose this because it is really beautiful. It's like a gold, rose gold bracelet, and it's personalised, and it's $9.99, and I just thought it was just beautiful. So I chose this and I got it engraved. I got it personalised with my son's initials. So it's a little bracelet. Let me just get it so it's like, so you can see it properly. See if that will focus. It's gonna focus. So yeah, it's focused. So I got my son's initials, which is HPJ. I hope that it's showing the right way because it's like flipped the camera, the picture. But basically, my little boy is called Harrison. His middle name is Philip James, and obviously Harrison is Harrison's name. Philip is my brother's name, my late brother's name, and obviously James is my partner, Harrison's dad. So his initials are HPJ, and 3 most important men in my life on my wrist. So I love that. And yeah, it was $9.99. It's absolutely beautiful, guys. So I think they do necklaces as well like this, so you can get engraved as a necklace. You can get any initials put on there. I just thought it was really nice, like, and it would be a really nice gift to give to someone as well. So I thought that was just stunning, and yeah, something that I will be wearing all the time, and it's just so pretty. It's just beautiful, guys. So then I chose some sandals. These are so beautiful. So they're leather sandals. They are a leather buckle sandal from a brand called Ravel, is that? So it's just, they're just so nice. Packaged really well. How nice is that? Like protected and everything. These are stunning. I saw them and I had to pick these because I've wanted a pair of sandals like this for a while now. They might not be everyone's cup of tea, but they're very, very, very in fashion at the moment. This sort of sandal is so in fashion, and I just had to get it. They did them in, oh, it smells, sorry, it smells really nice because it's real leather. It smells unreal. But this is what the sandal looks like. So yeah, these are really in at the moment. It's like a mule, like sandal buckle. Let's get the other one out and we can put them together so you can see them properly. But yeah, I really like those. Like I say, it might not be everyone's cup of tea. They did them in a tan. It's like a tan, like a dark tan colour, which like pretty much this colour, but the buckle was all tan. And I just really like them. What I like as well is that it's obviously the buckle, you can adjust them. So if you have quite a wide foot, I guess you could loosen the buckle so it fits, you know what I mean. So yeah, how nice are they? And these smell, honestly guys, they smell unreal. I love the smell of real leather, but they're so gorgeous. Do you know what, I'm going to find the price and I'll tell you how much they cost, because they were not expensive at all. They are a leather mule sandal, that's right. So they are the Ravel Kintor leather mule sandal in black. So they retail for $44.99. So not bad, really good for a pair of real leather, black pair of real leather mules. So I love those. Yes, so just, yeah, so it's a high quality natural leather, and it's been used, has been used for this product, and any growth marks or other markings on the leather are part of the characteristics of full grain leather. So yeah, beautiful. A selection of our styles now incorporating the first benefits to use inhabits the growth of hand bacteria, so footwear remains fresh, effective for up to a lifetime product, eco-friendly. Ooh, lovely. I love those sandals, guys. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure that you do give it a huge thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed, hit the little subscribe button down below, and don't forget to click on the notification bell as well, because every time I upload you will get notified. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys soon. Bye, guys.